very meaningful itong conversation ko with my client. So yung client ko, nag-apply siya for his insurance plan. During our FNA or financial needs analysis, I found out that, wow, he's earning millions per month. By the way, he's a private business owner. So nung nag-meet kami, sobrang na-amaze ako sa kanya kasi the way he dress and the way he carry himself, sobrang simple, as in wala kang makikitang luxury brands na suot niya. And sa sobrang curiosity ko, hindi ko na napigilang itanong sa kanya yung tanong na to. Sir, would you mind if I ask you a personal question? Sir, you're earning millions per month and technically millions every year. Yet, I don't see you wearing luxury brands or wearing anything fancy. So, naku-curious lang ako, sir. And after ko itanong yon, napangiti lang siya. Then, pinakita niya sa akin yung watch niya. Pinakita niya sa akin yung watch niya and kung titignan mo siya, medyo may pagkaluma na. And sabi niya, alam mo William, anytime, pwede akong bumili ng Rolex kahit ilan pa. Pero anong silbi ng mamahaling relo versus sa ginagamit ko ngayon? Which is same lang naman yung sinaserve na purpose sa akin, which is to tell me what time it is. So dun pa lang sa metaphor na yon is nagigets ko na siya and sobrang na-admire ko siya with that kind of mindset na you don't have to show off just to be validated or to be labeled as super rich.